how to log into the Green Life Industry Australia website. Now, you should have received one of these emails prompting you to update your nursery trade register account, but you'll find a link through here saying set up password for your online access, which will take you straight to this screen. Now, this screen actually has your email which you received that from locked. You can't change that. If you've got any issues, you can contact info@greenlifeindustryaustralia.com.au as specified through there. All you need to do is specify a new login as well, so you can go through. I'm just going to paste in one that I've created through there and agree to have your details saved. And upon submitting that, I'm not going to select for that to keep it. You'll be able to then go through to this screen, which will take you through the process of putting through your details, which I'll show you right now. And you'll be able to then log in to the members area of the website. 3.com.au and password as above, log in. And again, I'm not going to go through there, but it's going to actually take me through to update my trade register, and then I can also just go to the member homepage from there.